Hey everyone, and welcome to Smart Code. My name is Salar, and you are learning JavaScript. We are discussing string data type, so let's talk more about it. This is our tutorial number 22nd, and in this tutorial, I will be talking about how to break or split a string literal into multiple lines just in the source code, right? Are you ready? So let's check it out. In JavaScript, you can split a string into multiple lines just in the course using two different techniques. You can use plus operator or a backslash, right? So I will show you both the techniques. So sometimes our source code includes a very long string, like the string you see in this figure. And this string is, in fact, very long, right? And when we have such a long string in the source code, then we don't want it to go on endlessly because it will make our source code hard to read and understand. Now let's see how do we apply plus operator and break the string into multiple lines. So I have my string in single quotes and I'm going to make first split right here. So I will put a single quote here and then a plus sign, right? And then I'm gonna hit enter. So let's now put a single quote again here in the second line because it's missing, and I'm gonna make another break right here. Okay, so I will put again a single quote and then a plus sign, and I will press enter, and I will repeat the same process until the whole string is divided into multiple lines. Now it looks good, right? It can easily be read and understood. And these splits that we make in the string are just part of the source code. In the output, you won't see any line break, right? Now, another straightforward technique to do the same is you can use backslash. So let's first put another long string in the program, right? So now we have a very long string and we are going to break it using backslash. Now, using backslash, you will just put a backslash in the string where you want to make a split. Let's say I want to make a split here. So I will put a backslash and then I will hit enter. Now, here you need to be careful about one thing. Make sure there is no space after the backslash. Otherwise, it won't work. So now I'm going to make another split right here. So I will put a backslash and then enter, and one more break here, backslash and enter. Right now, one disadvantage of backslash technique is the empty space to the left of your editor becomes the part of the string. That means this space right here now has become the part of this line, right? And the same will happen here and here. You can just print this string out in the console to see the result. And here you see the empty space to the left of your editor is now included into the string, right? So you can fix or indent your string if you want just by removing the spaces to the left, right? But it seems you have to do some extra job. So my suggestion is use plus operator instead of backslash. It will give you the right result and you don't need to worry about extra spaces and indentation. So that was all about splitting a long string into multiple lines just in the source code. I hope you liked this tutorial, and I would appreciate if you give me your response and feedback by leaving comments under this video. I will see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.